there's a technique called nose breathing. So if I'm snoring a lot, I tape my mouth, I go to sleep, I learn to breathe through my nose. Is that true?
Well, it's not true. I mean, if you're breathing through your mouth, it's because you cannot breathe through your nose.
Okay.
So you must have a problem in your nose or the back of your nose. I mean, you might have a deviated septum, a crooked septum. Okay, your nose is crooked inside, or you have large turbinates if you have sinus problems, or you might have adenoids, which are structures that are the back of the nose. If you do that to your child, you're practically suffocating the child, during the night. So that's not a very good remedy.